Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I just uploaded a short showing this adapter that connects my Insta360 to this GoPro mount because I already have this GoPro chest mount and I want to start playing with different shots to make my ski videos a little more interesting. Let's do some research and see what settings we should put this in. Okay, I really like this video from Mount Media. Most of the settings were the same, but I did have to change the bit rate to high on mine. And I'm also going to go with this single lens instead of the 360 because this is gonna go on my chest, so it doesn't make sense to film with this back lens. And I will be trying 4K at 60 frames. Let's go ski. I made it, gonna try to wear this the entire day and see how it feels. I'm sure I have to start wearing the backpack as I get different mounts and filming gear. Let's get some footage. Get a sour one. We're gonna jump off here real quick. Alright. Let's get your straps down. Let's ski. Follow Yeye. I'm back from skiing and almost done editing this video. I do enjoy the first person shots, but it's a little shaky, so I'll probably still use the 360 mode with the selfie stick mostly, but pretty excited to see where all of this goes. Video 262 done.